Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to see a Cotter joint and its various part and importance of Cotter joint and applications. Before we start the video, subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon to get notified when the new video is out on my channel. So let's get started with today's video of Cotter joint. Now friends, you will ask me what is a Cotter joint. Cotter joint is a type of a mechanical joint which is used to join two axial rods or a bar. It is also known as a spigot and socket joint. This joint does not allow any angular movements of rods which is connects. This joint is applicable for tensile load as well as compressive load. It is also a detachable joint. Now we are going to see the various parts of Cotter joint. As you can see, this is the socket and this golden part is the spigot, and both are joined together with a cotter, which is the red part which is inserted inside the Cotter joint. Now we are going to dismantle the parts of the Cotter joint. First we will remove the cotter pin from the cotter. Then we will remove the spigot from the socket. Now, as you can see, there is a slot provided on the spigot and the socket. This slot is provided to insert the cotter pin into the Cotter joint. This cotter helps to put the two joints or the two rods together. Now we are going to see the exact principle of the Cotter joint. This is used to connect rigidly two rods which transmit motion in an axial direction without rotation. These joints may be subjected to tensile or compressive forces along the axis of the rod. The very famous example of is the joining of piston rods extension with the connecting rod in the crosshead assembly. Now we are going to see some advantage and application of the Cotter joint. First advantage is it is quick assembly and dismantling is possible. Second, it can take tensile as well as compressive force. Now we're going to see the application. In application, joint between piston rod and crosshead of the steam engine. Then joint between valve rod and its steam. Then in steam engine, connecting rod strap end, and it also used in foundation bolt. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Do share, like, subscribe to my channel and do comment in the comment box, and stay tuned for the more videos.